Hello, beautiful people. Just a quick video to tell you about the Net Fuel program, which is a 4-week program which is designed to kickstart your healthy keto lifestyle. It will bring you into ketosis and it will help you become a fat burning machine. It was developed by Stephen Bentley, who has been an endurance coach for almost 30 years. And it's also based on a program called ProEdge, which was originally developed by Susan Sly, who is a nutritionist, a triathlete, somebody who knows about fat burning and endurance. So, what's the thing with this Net Fuel program and why is it different from other keto programs? So, the most important difference between the Net Fuel program and other keto programs is that it's very focused on bringing you into ketosis with low carb, supported with isogenics products, which will help you get your micronutrients so you're not starving your body of the things that you need, and then easing back. And also, it includes cleanse days, which allow you to clear out, have some cell apoptosis, which means that your old miserable cells that need to go out, they're gone, and it just generally makes you feel absolutely amazing. So here's the thing. It is a 4-week program. The first 2 weeks, we are very low carb. It can be ultra low carb, which is 20 grams of net carbs a day. Net carbs meaning that any fiber that you eat, and you need to have at least 25 grams of fiber a day if you're a woman, 35 if you're a man, is subtracted from the amount of the grams of carbs that you're eating. So if you eat 25 grams of carbs and you're at 20 net carbs a day, you can in principle eat 55 grams of carb along with this, along with the fiber. So it makes it a little easier to do. If 20 net carbs is too hard for you, then you can do 50 net carbs. My friend who is vegan managed to do this. She lost 45 pounds. It was amazing. She feels just like a completely new person. And she did the 50 net carbs. So 2 weeks of that. And then the second 2 weeks of the program, everybody goes to 50 net carbs. We do the cleanse days, which are intermittent fasting. We do intermittent fasting also during the first 2 weeks, but that's just 16 hours from 7 o'clock at night to 11 o'clock the following morning. We do bulletproof coffee. It's a program, and you need to be serious about it. If you're not sure that this is what you want to do, I'll be happy to talk with you. But truly, it is a program for people who are serious about becoming fat burners and taking really good care of their body. So if this is something that you would like to do, drop me a line. I'd love to speak with you about it. Have a great day. Bye.